Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the essentials: power, timing, and isolation. First, connect the 5 kW supply and engage a 1 kW backup. Keep voltage steady at 230 V. Once done, calibrate the chronometer to within plus or minus 0. 5 seconds and enter your origin timestamp because precise phase reference prevents drift. Make sure the device sits inside a grounded Faraday cage to exclude stray electromagnetic fields. This protects coherence, and it sets the stage for pulse generation. You now load the phase sequencing routine and start controlled pulses. Program a 12-step waveform with 3 millisecond steps and repeat it 10 times to build a stable interference pattern. Then, set the pulse amplitude to 12 volts in tri-mode and watch current draw continuously, because spikes indicate misalignment. Meanwhile, engage the cooling loop and hold the device at 4 degrees Celsius to suppress decoherence. This preserves temporal coherence and allows the phase ladder to climb smoothly into a measurable offset. You initiate the window jump by pressing and holding the trigger for 2 seconds, then release to let the stabilized pulse open the temporal channel. Once active, monitor the temporal offset in real time and apply micro adjustments of plus or minus 0.02 seconds to lock your arrival point, because small corrections prevent overshoot. If the offset exceeds 5 seconds or error flags appear, abort and revert to your origin timestamp immediately. This recovery minimizes phase entanglement and preserves system integrity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.